Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. MsSilver here, and I'm super excited to be back. I'm sure you guys already saw the title, Just for Kira, Colored Contact Lenses number 2 for dark brown eyes. I can't wait to show you guys the new colors that I chose. Now, I have not tried these on. I don't know what they look like on my eyes, so I'm super excited to show these to you. And of course, everything's gonna be a first impression. Now, make sure you guys stay tuned, take note. Again, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box, every set that I wear, and a link and a discount code. Who likes to save money? I know I do. So make sure you stay tuned. You might find your favorite color contact lenses today here with me. Let's get started. Okay, so I went ahead and put on the contact lens on my left eye. I just want to do my brown eye first. I want you guys to look at it. And these contact lenses are crystal brown. You guys are ready? Ooh. These are so pretty. These really enhance my eyes. And this is the color that I usually go for when I choose colored contact lenses. I really don't like to go too extravagant because I feel kind of weird. So anything too colorful is really out of my comfort zone. And these are just perfect. Let me put the other one on and I'll be right back to show you how these crystal brown contact lenses look together. Wow, and these are, they're both on. They're so comfortable, my goodness, I love them. These are crystal brown. Oh my goodness, they look so beautiful. Okay, I'm really trying to look in the mirror. These really enhance my dark brown eyes. This is definitely something that I would wear every day, or at least every time I did my makeup. I was a little skeptical because they looked on the package, they look kind of dark, and I said, okay, maybe these are not going to do anything, but these look so beautiful. I love these. And again, these are crystal brown. Totally love them. And they're super light, super comfortable. Ooh, I feel pretty. I mean prettier, yeah. All right, let's go for the next pair. You guys want to watch me take them off? Let's see what we have next. Next, I'm going to try Asa, forgive me if I mispronounce, Aza Gray. I know you guys probably can't see it. These are great. I see a little bit of like a brown, so let me go ahead and put these on and I will be right back. Alrighty, I'm back with pair number 2. And again, we're gonna do Aza Gray. Asa, or yeah, it's gonna be Asa. Okay, so here's my dark brown eye. And here, ooh. Oh my gosh. I look fierce. These are so cute. Wow. Yeah, these definitely give my eyes like a huge pop. Oh my. Let me go put on the other one. I'll be right back. Wow, and here are both contacts in. You know what I really liked about these lenses? That they look so thin, and when you put them on, they feel like if you have nothing on, they feel super lightweight. These are probably the lightest contacts I've ever tried on. The edges, I mean, the edge is clear as well. This is a beautiful lens. It's not just comfortable, lightweight, but just the design of it, it's absolutely beautiful. This is so cute. This is a little much for me, but it's very cute. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. These are very cute. I feel cute-er. Okay, let's take these off and try on the next set. All right, so here is my brown eye. SL29 Brown. Again, SL29 Brown. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? This one gives me more like a hazel finish. Not sure if you guys can see it, but or more like more like on the yellowish side. They're really bright, really piercing, and I feel like this lens is a little bigger than the other one, so I feel like this one's really like much larger. Like at this one I could actually feel. So let me go pop in the other one and then I'll be right back. Whew. I had a much harder time of putting these on than the previous two. Maybe because of, I don't know, but I just had a hard time. Okay, let's review these. Oh my gosh, they look beautiful now that they're on. I can feel them, but it's just a matter of time for like I get used to it, and it happens with most of the contact lenses that I've tried throughout the years. Or maybe the previous one was too comfortable and these are a little bit more like on the heavier side, but let's not ignore that they look beautiful. Oh my goodness, I feel pretty in these too. I know I just feel pretty in all of them. I really like these. Yeah, these just give me more like a yellow vibe. Definitely changes all the color in my eyes. If I wear these, I probably would wear them kind of to like a night thing where the lights are dimmed and it's more like nighttime evening vibe. So cute. All right, let's wrap it up and go to our last pair. All right, last but not least, contact lens, dark brown eye check. These are Asa Brown. Drum roll, please. Ooh, oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. These, well, this one really enhances my, okay. Let me put on the other one. I'll be right back. Okay, and here are both lenses on. Sorry, my eye's still a little watery from the solution. Oh my goodness. And again, these are Asa Brown. You know what I noticed? That both Asa pairs that I tried on today are super lightweight comparing to the other twos. They're very comfortable, and they're so thin. They're so beautiful. I really love these. Oh my gosh, these are my second favorite. They're so cute. Definitely my favorite one for the brown eyes was the first one that I tried, which were the crystal brown. These would be my number 2. The Asa Gray would be my number 3. And my number 4 would be SL29 Brown. Just because those were a little bit more on the yellow side. Very, very out of my comfort zone. But hey, might be your cup of tea. So, oh my goodness. I don't want to take these off. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love them. Super, super adorable. So, JUST4KIRA has given me a discount code for all of my followers. MsSilver 20. I'll write it down here just in case I get it wrong. But use my discount code. I'm gonna leave all the details on the description box, so make sure you check it out. The link, the name of every lens, and you guys take advantage. These are so cute. These are good for a year. The ones that I'm using are 0 power, but if you need to add some, they are able to do that for you. So make sure you check them out. Drop down the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. I hope you found your new favorite pair of contact lenses from JUST4KIRA. I'll see you guys again on my next video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys again on the next one.